Let's continue to dive into the Fall Clarity Survey data. This week, we will still be in the use of the 4Cs domain, but focusing on collaboration. The data shows that 28% of educators ask learners to collaborate online with classmates monthly, and 38% ask learners to do so weekly. However, 68% of educators never ask learners to collaborate online with learners at other schools, and 55% of learners report that they are never asked to collaborate online with learners from different communities and cultures. Collaborating online goes a long way in moving learners from consumers to contributors. Let's look at some ways digital collaboration helps increase rigor and deepen learning. When students work with learners in other classrooms, they can become the teachers. Studies show that students who spend time teaching what they've learned go on to show better understanding and knowledge retention. Last year, kindergartners from Town Center got to be part of the authentic audience for a group of 7th grade scientists at Coppell Middle School East. The kindergartners submitted questions to the 7th graders on Flipgrid.
Why do bees suck flowers?
The 7th grade scientists participated in labs in order to answer these questions. The kindergartners got to watch different parts of the experiment while listening to the 7th graders explain their experiment and the conclusions they drew. Collaborating online with others from different communities and cultures humanizes the whole situation. It allows learners to connect with another person they would never talk to otherwise. Mystery Skype is a great way to foster content connections around the globe and create lasting classroom connections. When American students Skyped with students from Africa who had gathered in a traditional hut, they saw firsthand what real students and real teachers looked like in a faraway place. And they learned that their distant peers needed books. Just like that, the United States kids decided they wanted to send books to Africa, and they spent a year gathering enough books for every student in the school, not just the kids they had met. GridPals on Flipgrid allows classes from around the world to connect quickly and easily. GridPal classes are looking for a wide variety of connections. The great thing about connecting on Flipgrid is that you are not tied to specific times based on time zones, and you can reply at your convenience. Learners can connect with industry experts and use the opportunity to ask questions that go beyond what they can learn on the internet. When students are given the opportunity to ask experts and other students questions, little questions lead to bigger ones and send learners down exciting paths that can lead to global project-based learning opportunities or social justice projects. You can connect with Coppell community members such as business owners, police officers, and public officials. You can also reach out to Tammy Taylor, who is the Director of Community Engagement for CISD. Let's get together to discuss strategies and tools for collaboration.